Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a very good day today, and I hope you are banking very good profit today. Again, we had amazing volatility, especially on the yen pair and the dollar Swiss franc and the pound Swiss franc. Most of my traders banked amazing profit, guys. 100 plus pips this morning. And let me share with you how I analyzed this morning and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. And I will also show you how I train with the live market, the price action to my trader, so they can develop their trading skill with the live market. So let me dig into the system and show you how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair first, and then I will show you the best trade of the day today. Okay, so EURUSD, if you look at the EURUSD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a yesterday beautiful short trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So we had a beautiful short trade yesterday, and price nicely hit this support level, as you can see here, previously respected. So we had a counter trade this morning, long trade on EURUSD. We also had a short but long, and let me share with you how I analyze the entries and exit. Okay, so moving forward, we're looking here if the price is going to break this level. So we'll see here we already have this pattern is developed. So sort of like prices develop a symmetric triangle pattern. We'll see how the market is going to react at the New York session, but let me share with you the intraday analysis this morning. We haven't had a good juicy trade, but we managed few PPs. So you can see here this was the pretty straightforward. This was the analysis this morning just before London Open. I analyzed the market live with my traders. So as you can see here, 7:41 London time, we had this explain my trader, if the price gonna break, then we're gonna take a short trade here, and the target would be this level, which is the fifth channel, which is we had a very small short trade here, bank few PPs, and afterwards as soon as the price reverse, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now technically, if you look at as explained to my trader with the live market, price supposed to break this one and retest. That's the sign of continuation, but price develop a false breakout. There's a possibility price might going to develop pullback long here, or if the price is going to break, then we're going to take a trade. So technically I said if the price going to break, that's the continuation. If the price break this one, then long here. As you can see here, based on the analysis with the live market, you can see here that was a pretty straightforward breakout. Momentum was developed bullish, as you can see here. After this breakout, banking few PPs, we have another pullback long trade here. So you guys, you can see here how we analyze the market real time. And let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, we had a good trade here, and if I show you the analysis, we also had a short trade here, and after this rejection, once you see the price rejected here, and we have, look here, this is what exactly we were looking here, guys. The price broken, and after this breakout, we're expecting another pullback here. And let me show you it. So, and if you look at the price develop another pattern, and let's see if the price is going to come back and respect, then possibility of pullback short trade here. We'll see the price action at this level. So far at the moment, we had taken a long trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward. As you can see here, this was the analysis I did explain to much. We had, you can see here, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. So this morning, as you can see here, 7:42 just before London Open, explained to my trader if the price gonna break this level, then we're taking a short trade here. Otherwise possibility of long, but the safest trade, look for this breakout, because the price was at this level. So there's both possibilities, price might gonna continue back and break this level. But as you can see here, based on the price action, price nicely respected this support level, did not break, but safest trade, as mentioned, after this breakout, pulled back, beautiful, bank few PPs, and afterwards, as soon as the price break this previous level, so we're expecting another pullback. As you can see, momentum was still bullish. We had this pullback long trade here, and most of the traders are really enjoying in this pullback long trade here. All right guys, so you can see we had a 1 and 2 long trades on pound dollar. Most of the traders really enjoyed it. Dollar CAD, and let me share with you the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade, as you can see here. Previously you can see here this is impulsive, and this sort of like developing a correction. But if you look at the price action, that's what I explained to my trader. So we price broke on this previous low, so we were expecting a short trade here. That was the move last night, and we were expecting a pullback. Let me share with you how I analyze the entries. And as you can see here, yesterday we were long here, and bank few pps, and afterwards this morning, just before London Open, as you can see here, 746, I explained to my trader, look here, the price respected this level, so technically we're expecting here another pullback that's going to give us the continuation. Or let's say if the price develop a false breakout and retest, then long here, as you can see here, once the price develop double top here, that's a good sign. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain my trader, you can enjoy some PPs or move your stop loss at the break even. So that was a beautiful trade. All right, so the best trade we had, that was the dollar Swiss franc, all the yen pairs. And let me explain to you the dollar Swiss franc, we had an amazing trade. Reason why, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we can see here sort of like price develop head and shoulder pattern, and we were expecting, and we have taken the short trade here. So we have taken all the short trade from yesterday, and we just banked profit as soon as the price hit to the big psychological number, bank beautiful pips. Let me share with you all the dollar Swiss franc, beautiful trade, guys. As you can see here, this was the analysis from yesterday. Once the price respected this level, at this level, as you can see here, price broken and retested, and in our intraday, you can see here price broken this previous low. That was the beautiful short trade yesterday. Bank price hit to the fib channel, bank beautiful pips. After banking some pips, as you can see here, we have another analysis at the last night Asian session. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, pullback, pullback, pullback. But I also analysis this one at the London morning session, just to make sure trader don't miss any opportunity. You can see it, because when we look at this price broke the previous low, we don't see, we call it, this is free traffic. So we had a nice trade, keep taking this morning. Basically, this is updated analysis in the morning. You can see here that was a beautiful breakout based on this analysis, and beautiful another trade, beautiful another trade. So once the price develop on any other pattern or any price action opportunities, we broadcast instantly. As you can see here, we had amazing trade on per dollar Swiss franc, bank amazing profit. We also had a beautiful trades, as you can see yesterday, on pound yen, beautiful. So we were expecting another pullback at this level, pretty straightforward. We have taken all the short trade here. We also have taken some counter short, counter long trade here, because you can see here price 1 second is expecting a retest. So let's see today if the price is going to break this structure or not. But let me share with you the analysis. That was a beautiful and pretty straightforward trades on pound yen this morning. Okay, so this morning you can see here that was a pretty straightforward just before London Open, as I always mention, guys. So we already had this big move reversal, as you can see here. So we were expecting a bit of a pullback, as you can see here, just 751. We are expecting another pullback, as you can see here. Price nicely developed based on this analysis. One pullback, second pullback, third pullback. We announce all this analysis, all these opportunities through live audio commentary. Once we bank some profit at this level, then I also updated another analysis, guys. Possibility of counter, as you can see here. That's what exactly we do. We watch live market. Then I explain these are the possibilities. Look for this breakout, which price nicely broken, as you can see here, pullback based on the analysis. Lies as soon as the price hit this level, previous high, and that's what I explained my trader, guys. This is a counter trade, just banking some profit, right? So let's see. So we bank some profit, and as you can see, after that price came back here, and I just did analysis and help my trader to squeeze another pips. As you can see here, explain to my trader, if the price is going to respect this one, we will consider inverted head and shoulder pattern and expect another beautiful long trade here. As you can see here, price nicely broken, hit to the first target, bank amazing profit. All right, guys, as you can see how we analyze, and that's basically we train people with the live market. Give you another example, very good example of the Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. And if you look at here, this is the analysis I did this morning, and that's what I explained with the live analysis, as explained the price action with the live market, not the historical price, guys. With the live market, I say, guys, look here, this is the structure has been developed. You can see here. So we expecting, this is the price did not respect this level, so expecting another pullback at this level. And if the price develop false breakout, then we need a confirmation in order to go short here. That's what I did, as you can see here. Based on that, once the price developing a pullback, we announce through live audio commentary, guys. Grab it. This is our opportunity based on the momentum. Beautiful long trade here, and price nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. If you would like to experience this price action with the live market through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where we train trader with a live market through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support. And once they develop their trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded through PropFarm. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. The places are very limited. I'm very selective in terms of taking traders on board. So most welcome, try your luck and join my fast growing trader community. And thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. And until next time, all the best.